G'day guys, on the 2005 Scenic, to get the air filter out, you undo these three, take this out, then undo 1, 2, and take this out. And then undo this one here, and obviously these two small screws. Now these two small screws, they do stay in, but in the past they do fall out as well. To get them out, I mean, you might want to disconnect the battery if you feel you're going to short circuit, but I use a tool like this, which is very long and thin, and it just allows you to get in there like that. Beware of the battery and disconnect it if you feel you want to. And by releasing this, it gives you just that little bit to get this out. Okay, so by bending this in, and that's why they've put these little cutaways in there, this then comes out quite easily, and it's just not as bad as it looks. Okay, it's a filter people don't like to change because it looks like you got to pull everything out to do it. The brake fluid's there as well, by the way. Okay, and you get a vacuum and vacuum the stuff out and all that. Okay, I hope that helps. Bye.